Basically, DeepSeek came up with what they call MHC, which is a better way to do residual connections. It's pretty long, pretty technical, but basically they found a way to do residual connections so that it doesn't cause exploding gradients. And it's a nice improvement, and I think everyone will start adopting it, including OpenAI and Anthropic.
Okay. So, as we talk about this sort of solution for exploding gradients, tell us what they actually did here and kind of what the problem is and what their general solution is.
So the problem is that when you use residual connections or hyperconnections, it tends to blow things up. Either the gradient vanishes or explodes. So they constrain that so that it doesn't blow up.
Okay. And you were explaining like just generally this theme in terms of like a game of operator or grapevine. Explain the analogy so that we kind of get everyone wrapped up in the right context here.
Right. So this is that old game where you have like 20 people lined up and you tell the first person a message and they're supposed to tell it to the second person, right? So each person has headphones or they got earplugs in and they can't hear what the previous person said, right? And so in the game, you start with the first person, and by the last person, the message is completely different. So this is something happens with training models. And so the solution is, what if every third person, every fifth person, you tell them the actual message? So then the chances of you getting a message close to the original at the end is much more likely.